I've always trusted technology. My house in Phoenix was packed with smart devices, lights, cameras, even a smart lock I could control from my phone. It felt safe. Until one Thursday night. I was working late when my phone buzzed, front door, lock reset to factory settings. My stomach dropped. You can't reset it remotely, it has to be done in person. I checked the peephole. No one was there. Still, the app kept updating, lock attempted login, failed. The IP address was terrifyingly close, just a few hundred feet away. That night, around 2 a.m., I heard my doorknob rattle, slow and deliberate. When I flung the door open, the porch was empty. The next morning, I saw boot prints in the dirt, big, heavy ones right outside. I called the company. They said, it's secure. Probably a glitch. But I knew someone was out there. A few nights later, it got worse. My phone buzzed again, door unlocked. My heart pounded as I grabbed a baseball bat. From the hall, I watched the deadbolt slowly turn, on its own. I yanked the door open and saw nothing, just darkness. But I swear, at the end of the street, a tall figure slipped away. The police came, checked the place, and shrugged. No forced entry. Probably your system acting up. But it didn't stop. The lock kept resetting. The thermostat changed by itself. Lights flickered. Whoever was behind this wasn't just trying to break in, they wanted me to know they could. The final night, my phone buzzed again, door unlocked. This time, I heard the hinges creak. The front door opened. I froze. Silence filled the house. When I checked, the door was locked tight. But on the window near my desk was a faint handprint. Someone had been standing outside, watching me. That night, I ripped the smart lock off and replaced it with a simple deadbolt. No Wi-Fi. No app. Just a key in my hand. Because now I know technology can fail. And sometimes, it's the very thing that lets them in.